right now is I'm going to be setting up my chart for the day. And so with this being the first trade of the week for me, I didn't trade yesterday on Monday. And so I will start on the daily chart. And this is how it's going to be. I'm going to go to my indicators. I'm going to bring DIY builder, and I'm going to bring up smart money concepts. And so that's what it looks like on default. I have both of those indicators brought up. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to go to settings to set up my chart. I'm going to click on the settings of the DIY indicator, and I'm just going to go by and I'm going to unselect all these at the top. So anything that has a check mark, I'm going to turn it off until I get to here. I'm going to get to the switchboard and I want to select the EMA, market sections, and supply and demand. After that, I want to go down to the MAS line, and I'm only going to select the 200. So I'm going to unselect these, and then I'm going to hit OK. That's the only thing I need to do on the DIY indicator. And then I'm going to go to Lux Algo settings. And really, I just want to go all the way down to the bottom here, and I want to select premium discount zone and daily, weekly, monthly highs and lows. And after those, I'm going to hit OK, and then that'll be my chart, and I'll be ready to trade. Get those selected. So this is what my chart will look like. This is my chart, so it's going to look like. I'm currently looking at the daily.